Circuit analysis, transient response analysis unit. That is transient response analysis using Laplace transform. In this class, we see Laplace transform of periodic function. Kindly noted Laplace transform of periodic function. Laplace transform of periodic function. Math Engineering welcomes you all at Math Engineering link. Circuit analysis, Laplace transform of periodic functions. That is time versus function f of t graph is shown in figure. A constant and minus a constant between sine wave is obtained. T time is capital T2, T3, T4, T between the time interval. So shown in figure. We obtain interval between 0 to 2t full time waveform of that is square wave or rectangular waveform between a constant and minus a constant obtained. Upper side is a, lower side is minus a. Upper side is we obtain 0 to t, lower side we obtain t to 3t. That is t versus function f of t. Find the Laplace transform of periodic function for above waveform. L of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e per minus st integral of 0 to t f of t e per minus st dt. L f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e per minus 2 st bracket of integral 0 to t f of t e per minus st dt. That Laplace function is taken into split into two parts, that is 0 to t and t to 2t. So take L of f of t is 1 divided by 1 minus e per minus 2 st bracket of integral of 0 to t a e per minus st dt plus t to 2t minus a e per minus st dt minus for lower side waveform. That is full waveform is obtained. Full waveform is obtained 0 to 2t. So that formula is split into that format. Shown it now. L of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e per minus 2 st whole bracket small bracket a e per minus st divided by minus s small bracket 0 to t minus small bracket a e per minus st divided by minus s small bracket t to 2t. The time is between the 0 to 2t full waveform obtained. So put this waveform. L of f t formula is a divided by s into 1 minus e per minus st divided by 1 plus e per minus st formula. Below the line shown that page. So L of f t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e per minus 2 st whole bracket into small bracket a e per minus st divided by minus s small bracket 0 to t minus small bracket a e per minus st divided by minus s small bracket t to 2t whole bracket. Kindly note that the Laplace formula is L of f of t is equal to a divided by s bracket of 1 minus e per minus st divided by 1 plus e per minus st. That is formula using. That is we obtained that above previous equations. That is changed into L of f of t is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e power minus 2 st into a e per minus st divided by minus s bracket minus bracket a e per minus 2 st divided by minus s minus a b e per minus st divided by minus s bracket. Put omega as e per minus st and omega square is e per minus 2 st in our equations. Put omega. So L of f of t is 1 divided by 1 minus omega square e per minus 2 st is omega square. So omega square bracket of a divided by minus s, that is omega square minus 2 omega plus 1. We obtain. Simplify the equation using omega. Then we obtain equation is L of f of t is 1 divided by 1 minus omega square bracket of a divided by s into omega square minus 2 omega plus 1. That equation quadratic equation is changed into 1 minus omega square. The a by s taken outside. 1 minus omega square. 1 minus omega square divided by 1 plus omega into 1 minus omega. That is change into 1 minus omega and 1 minus omega cancel. Side portion side given. So a divided by s 1 minus omega divided by 1 plus omega and leave we obtain. Put to omega value. Omega is e power minus st in L of ft equation. L of ft is quadratic equation. We obtain omega square minus 2 omega plus 1 is 1 minus omega the whole square. That is important. Put omega in value e power minus st in upper equation. L of f of t s equal to a divided by s 1 minus e power minus st divided by 1 plus e power minus st be obtained. That is damping waveform is then from this result we obtain the equations as L of ft is a divided by s into 1 minus e power minus s divided by 1 plus e power minus. From these equations we obtain f of t function as using formula that is 10 sine omega t for 0 t is 0 less than t less than pi omega. Graphing shown that is damping waveform is obtained. T versus f of t. Interval is pi omega 2 pi omega divided by omega 3 pi divided by omega 4 pi omega. Function is we obtain as f of t is 10 sine omega t. From above L of t formula we obtain that is waveform formula. F of t function is 10 sine omega t for 0 less than t less than pi omega. That is Laplace transform of periodic functions. We find out. And is this class. That is an university syllabus that in it and all syllabus circuit analysis I taken classes 2026. Yeah, thank you.